we have bad luck. They were saying we have asked from 4 or 5 places. All of them are saying because of shortage of gas. Only for afternoon, for lunch.
For lunch they are keeping thali. Now there is no thali. She is mad behind jackfruit. ये भैया बोल रहे हैं मैं हमारे रील देखते हैं.
He's not thinking about himself.
No, I have so many dresses. I have.
Buy this, buy that. So, we saw Zudio is next one. So let's see. We will go inside.
See how many people are there inside. We are going different shop. No one was there. Only worker were roaming here. Really? Hello guys.
So guys,
Good afternoon.
good afternoon. This is the last day of our traveling in
Hyderabad.
So this is our hotel. We just came outside.
Chibut.
Vasati.
And Vasati also. Vasati.
In Farsi,
Farsi also they have
is name
Vasati
of one
word.
game.
One game.
Yeah. So we are going. Oh, so small dogs are here.
Now I will get scared. Maybe so small dogs are here. I think you have to take umbrella.
Why?
Guys, see, weather became nonsense. Rain
Come here.
is raining. So I can feel.
But I don't think anything will happen.
Really, you are saying?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go then.
Let's go.
Because we have umbrella
I don't think that
also.
much. Even if
Ah.
it comes, that
Arre.
much will be there.
Arre.
So I think all here is houses,
Arre.
societies.
Wait, I will show
This
dogs.
area
Wait.
is good.
It's good.
Hey. Mother is calling the children. See? You saw that?
Arre.
Mother was calling the all children.
Oh, she went inside
Yeah.
and she was calling all of her children.
Yeah. My stomach was a little bit painy, but
Because,
we thought ki,
uh,
because of period.
Period.
But we thought ki we'll go by walk. I like so much going here and there by walk. Because like this we can explore properly. We can explore everywhere properly. And if we find jackfruit also, yesterday I didn't find. If we find jackfruit also, I want to buy.
Beta likes so much jackfruit funnus.
Yeah. I mean, I love all the fruits and vegetables.
What that dog is doing? Toilet.
Like,
We are going one mall, and after that, I think at night we want to go for eating thali, South Indian thali, something local food we want to try.
Okay.
Alright. Guys, we are walking. We saw here some exhibition is there, so we thought ki we will just explore what things they have. What is this? You want to buy something?
What the heck?
Let's see. Inside we have to go and check now. Oh. Check any Zoomka or something if you want to buy. Try कौन बेटा? बेटा? Gun.
Like one?
Huh?
Which one should I take?
See na, which one you like?
ले लो
If something new design
This
is
one
there.
has this also.
अरे कितने का भैया ये? 200.
आप ट्राई करके देख लो
Okay, you can
मैम
check.
ट्राई करके देख लो एक बार
Really, you also like?
अरे
I want something like this. Thika also is there. Thika is there, no?
not tikka. I don't know name. I forgot.
Ask him
Very well.
because others are only
Like this we'll ask if they have or not more.
only jhumka.
This one looks good, but
These are simple. In Thailand, I don't like.
this one is on head they put on near your forehead here like this.
Yeah.
I forgot name. See. Oh, so beautiful.
Oh, that
This
one.
one.
You remember? Once
So, to someone we
we
gave.
went to one of neighbor's child birthday.
But we bought this one.
This one we bought.
To whom we bought?
Online we bought.
I don't
To
remember.
Radhika.
It's good for you.
For me,
Arre.
what should I do with it? This one I remember in childhood we used to
We also had.
like this.
Like this you have to.
Oh, like
With, You want to buy little one? You will
I
enjoy.
remember my childhood. Oh, see this one. Really, if I had child, I would buy. It's same like real one.
Same like real one. For children they gave. What is this? This is like sari I think. My sister was saying ki Hyderabadi sari are so beautiful. Here they are. I think they are thick also. Means
Yeah.
they are not thin. So guys, we are walking directly speaking in Telugu. I don't understand. They think I am from here only.
Really?
Really? Everyone is speaking Telugu.
We can sing that song for them. Mumbai ki raah.
That one is Hindi. It's
No,
not
it's
Telugu.
not Hindi.
No, that sentence is Hindi. बहुत
रेट पे
अच्छा.
दे रहा हूँ आपको हमारे पास पूरा बहुत कम रेट है.
So expensive.
Oh, like this? They put? Okay.
Like this, let me show. This one I like this.
If you like,
First
we'll
time
buy.
also.
Or,
डिजाइन सब
it's good.
Sure?
It's good. It will not fall, na?
No. You can fix me?
Or,
Maybe, no?
सेम
oh, you cannot see, na? I'm saying you cannot see. I'm saying he's looking good.
More design. Which are I'm saying Marathi.
They say Bugatti.
Now, always it happens. Whenever I buy something, after that people come and they are like, you bought watermelon for 30 rupees, in our city is 10 rupees. So
You
this one
bought
I
for-
bought 150 rupees. That's also with discount. It's like, see, it will go inside here, like this.
Someone will come in like,
Bugatti?
in my village is for 10 rupees.
Bugatti,
Bugatti.
Bugatti.
Or,
It's like this.
it's good, it's beautiful.
Means I never saw in
In Maharashtra,
That's
we
why I
never saw.
bought.
It's famous for here only.
Because I saw some Indian people have hole here. I don't like to put hole. But it's nice na. It means without hole you can wear like this. Just for it.
It's okay, it's beautiful, very.
Thank you.
Welcome. I'm saying ki let's book auto. We'll go directly to mall because we want to go mall.
Huh.
And Bita also have periods also, like nearby periods. She'll get now in 1-2 days.
I got.
You got? So it's so hard. So she's saying no, we'll go by walk. Why you know? Guess why? Because yesterday on this way we saw jackfruit.
Yes.
And she likes jackfruit so much. So we are searching jackfruit now.
Yeah. So I'm just thinking where I saw jackfruit. I need to go till there by walk. And after that we'll get auto.
As we are walking, we saw mangoes. कैसे भैया mangoes? 120, 150, 300. वो कौन से है? Oh, दशहरी. Okay.
Yesterday was 100.
This one maybe you can take 100. That one 300 as दशहरी. That one I think is sweet.
Indian people, whatever price they say, it means half real.
No, for mango I don't think that much less you'll find. If you want, we'll buy. Which one you say? We'll buy. See what we found. कितने का है? 120 rupees? 12 piece. 12 piece for 120 rupees. Means like one piece for 10 rupees. Bad news. Okay, 100 को दे दो 12 पीस भैया. ये क्यों? अभी निकालो fresh. So Bita was searching so much. Bita wanted to eat lot. Jackfruit she was saying. Finally we found. But cleanliness, Bitul.
Not that clean, but
Should you buy or not then from here?
I want.
Huh? Bita likes so much. She is mad behind jackfruit. Baby, ambe give me. Ambe. Also.
First time I see jackfruit, they are not giving head
By
size.
weight, they are giving dozen,
A dozen.
like per piece. 12 pieces for like 100 rupees they give.
Boy, I love jackfruit.
इसके लिए
Thank you.
10,000. Guys, we are walking. So ये भैया बोल रहे हैं मैं हमारे रील देखते हैं. कैसे भैया हिंदी में देखते हैं हमारे रील? Okay.
मी पण मराठी उदगीर
Oh,
Udgir. I am from Latur. He is from Udgir.
is it?
अरे
What is it?
job they gave selling mangoes and this thing. अरे
We should have bought mango from him.
अरे we didn't know na. That guy was from Udgir. Udgir is near Latur. So he is saying ki I watch your reels and this
I thought
thing.
he's
South.
south. Means I thought he's from here.
Uh-huh.
And he was speaking in what is that language?
Telugu.
Telugu.
But he was speaking Marathi. He said, I am from Udgir.
Maharashtrians are everywhere.
Indians are everywhere. Maharashtrians are everywhere. सारत मॉल ही जा रहे हैं ना? सारत मॉल.
हाँ चिरंजीव मॉल.
Okay, okay. Same mall we are going.
Then we came wrong.
I think we are walking wrong. Our hotel was there. We are coming here. We thought that mall is this side.
How can you check?
I don't know. On map was showing this side. We came to mall, Sarat Mall.
I think they were saying this is the biggest mall.
Not
in
biggest,
India.
but one of the biggest mall in Hyderabad.
No, India.
Nah, not in India. One of the biggest mall in Hyderabad.
Okay.
So here is this mall. Beta got period also. Stomach is paining. So 10-15 minutes we will walk. Otherwise we will go to our hotel. Oh, it's big.
And guys, we are not those type of people who so much enjoy some mall.
I like to roam in mall, but I wanted to see if something
No, we'll see tuna.
dog would.
What's your name?
Airport. But I wanted to see if something like traditional dress or something is there, so I can buy for Beta. This dog. This one is food court, Bitul. Downside. You want to drink coffee or something?
No, now only I had so much fun.
But Shama, whenever you want to eat something or drink something, say.
Okay.
Don't be silent. Beta now also do tarup. Tarup, you know guys, I told na, tarup is Persian word. It's like even if they want something, they will not say. Or if you are offering something, they will like, you want to try, like let's suppose, if you want to say you want to try something like some food or something, they will say no, I don't want. But they want. It's like this. That is tarup.
And my husband is so kind.
Really? My wife is so kind. Because stomach is so much paining.
Stomach and
Back. So I think we will go back to our hotel.
No, we'll explore.
Okay.
I'll see.
Let's see. If you are not feeling good, we'll go. Means we had planned to explore this mall.
Thali also.
And after
No,
mall,
I'm not feeling Thali Mali.
after this mall, we thought we will go try some traditional thali in Hyderabad. But let's see. If she's feeling good, we'll go. Otherwise, we'll go back to our hotel and we'll rest. So guys, now the Bita is feeling good. I give massage to her little bit.
Thank you. So we came to see just like that dress. But once again saying to me, buy this, buy that. He's not thinking about himself.
No, I have. So
Only
many dresses
saying
I
to me,
have.
buy this, buy that.
So many dresses I have. So I don't need.
You know what I remember?
What?
When I was child, I was having good childhood. I mean, what should I say? I mean, our level of life was good. We used to do very good kindergarten. My both family parents, mom and dad used to do job. So, with our situation was good. But one thing I remember, my family never bought for us
What?
these cars.
Oh, the small car.
If I remember, it used to be here also this car is playing.
Why?
It used to be so expensive that
Because
time.
expensive. We were walking a little bit here and there. We saw two African women. Which country they said? Cameroon?
Cameroon? I don't know.
I don't remember which country. Bita went and Bita said, your hair are so good. So she got happy. At starting she got shocked. Maybe what you are going to ask them. She was like, what?
Because I'm a person, I like to share positive things with other people so much. If I find anything beautiful in someone, I like to say to them, not to keep inside.
So good.
I was saying to Bhagwan, here every brand is there. So many different brands are there. It's big. Zudio also maybe is there because recently I bought this sandals from Zudio.
Chappal.
And I like so much. No, it's like shoes. Back side is closed.
It's so comfortable.
And it's so comfortable. Plus I like the design also. Means it's simple. So I was saying maybe Zudio also is there. Then Bhagwan was saying, let's see, we'll ask and this thing. We came outside of, we came to third floor. We saw Zudio is next door. So let's see, we'll go inside.
See how many people are there inside. We are going different shop, no one was there. Only worker were roaming here. Really?
Most of shops, no one is there other than Zudio. Zudio is Pune also, you will find so many places, people inside.
Let's see.
Every branch different thing.
But it looks so similar. Huh?
Really?
Miss.
For you also, let's check.
T-shirt I don't buy. Not like this. T-shirt, no, not this one.
India?
Nah.
No?
Plain T-shirt without any design or.
Simple.
Simple only I like. Like there they have this one. This kind of dress I like. Like plain, simple, and one color. Like this I like. Blue. This one also is good. Really? Same hai. Other color they have in same dress.
Green is there.
We are just roaming here and there. We found one shop. So beautiful things they have. See these pillows. Oh, so beautiful. Design, color, painting. See here. They are so beautiful. Glass also. See, this one is copper glass. See, outside. See. This one is steel glass. Charcoal also, see how they made. So beautiful. Bitul, something if you see, if you like something, say we'll buy that one. Oh, this one is for a gift, na? This box.
Only color is so beautiful.
Design is so
See,
beautiful.
most of them, I know they were ceramic. If someone knows how to work with ceramic, I know so much with painting.
We went na that, what was that?
One
Carpentry.
workshop, yeah, one workshop.
Carpentry? Nana. Pottery.
Pottery.
There.
So if you know how to make something with ceramic, so nice you can make design and all. We are going to try some local thali here. I love thali actually, but I don't know which thali it is.
Veg thali, South Indian thali.
Oh, non-veg is not there?
Non-veg also is there. Veg, non-veg, all is there.
Okay. And
Okay.
South Indian means is from where?
I don't know exactly. I am also not sure. But they are just mentioning South Indian thali or veg thali.
Okay. And we found in this
Mall only we
mall,
found.
what was the name of mall?
Sara?
Sarat?
Sarati, something like this. I forgot.
Sarat. So we are, as we already mentioned, we are now in Hyderabad. So we thought before going, this is the last day we are here. At least let's try thali here. So we'll see how is thali here, and we will compare with Maharashtra. We have been in Gujarati thali also, Rajasthani also. What else?
Maharashtrian
Thali
thali.
also. And
Actually,
now today's day of
South
Hyderabadi.
Indian, South Indian Hyderabad.
Yeah,
you can say.
thali. Let's take picture here.
Okay. So actually we wanted to go another place, but Bita got period na. So we thought in mall only one restaurant is there. There only we'll eat. Reviews also are good, means we can go and eat.
We have bad luck. They were saying we have asked from 4 or 5 places. All of them are saying because of shortage of gas. Only for afternoon, for lunch.
For lunch they are keeping thali. Now there is no thali. They are smiling and they are saying there is no gas, so we cannot give thali for dinner.
That's why we have no option. We are going back to hotel.
No option, guys. Sorry, we want to try some local food, but everywhere they are saying ki veg thali is not available for dinner.
Here also is games for children. Huh?
You want to play anything?
Nah. Well, let's go. No need. I want to go there, upside. Can I? That one I want to play. There's so many people asking us why Bhagwan married to me. And the reason is one word.
Gas. So now another 2-3 restaurants I called. They are
Other
saying
than outside of here. Bhagwan was saying, should we go by walk there? I said, yeah, it's near, we can go by walk. Then I thought कि मैं gonna just call and ask कि they have thali or
Veg
not.
thali or not.
Otherwise we'll go there again. They will say कि we don't have. We called. They said no, we don't
No,
have.
only for
afternoon.
lunch. Another also restaurant is there. It's so famous. Iguru, something like this. There also we call. I think everywhere is closed, so no option is there now. We'll go
So
in
that's
hotel.
why we'll go to hotel.
Arre.
We'll eat our normal food.
Arre.
And let's see. In Pune maybe we'll try
Arre.
South Thai. Chalo.